Hey everyone! Want to edit this glitch effect? Import your clip into Filmora, then add the same clip again on a track above it. Select the bottom clip, click on this watch icon, click Add a freeze frame. Let's hide the clip for now. Now, to remove the person, select the clip, go to AI Tools, then AI Object Remover. Draw over the person you want to remove. It will still work even if there are other people in the clip. It might take some time to generate. You can see the process here. If the picture turns out like this, don't worry. Click on this camera icon to save it. The snapshot will show up into your folder. Delete the old clip, then add the new clip. Use Object Remover again on the new clip. Once you're finished, unhide the clip and cut out the middle portion, like this. Add a rectangular mask to your clip. Add a gray filter to make the rectangle mask more noticeable. Now, split the clip and resize the mask to make it smaller, and repeat this process 2 times. Go to the Effects panel, select the Glitch category, and add the Flicker Glitch effect. Then, apply the Chromatic Aberration effect. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe! If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below.